Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with another haul. So I have a giant pile of new things that I got that I need to put away so I can actually start using it because it's just a hot mess right in here. So let's go ahead and get started. This is it's a variety of places that I got my stuff from, and some of the stuff I had ordered a while ago, but just kind of came late. So this is the Greeting Farm, and once every couple of months they have their farmers market where you can buy products for much cheaper. So this one is their Get Well Soon stamp. It's super cute and clear. It's pretty new. This one I believe was $10. I think it's normally 15. So that's a good deal. And then I also got these cute, I don't know if you can see them, but they're super, super cute in the red rubber. And one is a fairy, and one is like a little queen, and they were $5 a piece. So that's a good deal. And then, I tell myself I'm not going to buy any more of these red rubber sets, but they are just so amazing. So this is the Hatters set, and it was on sale for $35. I think it's normally $45, and you get 2, 4, 6, you get 8 little Hatter girls along with a bunch of sentiments. So it looks like you get like 6 sentiments, a couple teacups. Super, super cute. Really a great deal because you get a lot of stuff in there. And then I have an order from Simon Says Stamps. So this is one that came in earlier in the month. And this was part of their Steals and Deals page. So you got the stamp set, costume party, as well as the dies. And I want to say they were like $10 or $12. It was really, really cheap for the both of them. So I picked that up because who can't? And then I saw Amy Rice Savvy with these Nuvo brushes. So I thought I would give them a try, even though I did find some old brushes, cheapy ones from Michael's, and I'm actually using them for some art journaling projects, but I've got these on standby. And then from Simon Says Stamp, I picked up the Distress blending brushes because I suck at blending. Absolutely positively suck at it. I have tried so hard to blend the Distress inks and I just can't do it. I have some Distress oxides coming. I'm excited about that. I'm going to try these on those and see if I have more success blending because I just can't get that foam tool to work for me. It just doesn't work. So I'm going to try those. They're kind of expensive. They're like $12 for 2 brushes, but hopefully they'll work. And then I went ahead and purchased some, and I also got this Distress glaze. I'm excited about that as well. Okay, from Honeybee Stamps. So Honeybee is having a special thing because it's their birthday, and I'm a little disappointed because I could swear that I had ordered enough to get the free little bee and the die, but apparently I didn't, so I only just got the bee. So it's like it's like the second time that I've ordered from them and not gotten a freebie. Whatever, but it is a little annoying. So I got these watercolor postcards. I don't know that I'm going to be sending postcards, but I needed a certain amount to get to free shipping, and this is a nice size. It's 4x6, so this can go on, cut down a little bit, and go on the front of cards. So I did pick that up. Let's see. I got, this is Congratulations, and it goes with this stamp set. So this is the die, Congratulations, and it's like a layered die. And then, so all their stamps, I think everything was 30% off. But this is like a graduation stamp set, Congrats, Grad. And of course you can use it for other things too. Doesn't have to be graduation. But I love the sentiments in there. I love the font. I just think it's super, super cute. My son is going to be graduating from 6th grade, so I can make a cute little card with that. And then this is a really cute, I like this. This is a fall stamp set, but it absolutely can be used for spring. I don't see why it couldn't be used for spring with the little bees and the flowers. Super cute, and I got the dies with that. And then I picked up this alphabet, even though I have quite a few alphabets. I have some close to my heart alphabets that I'd never destashed. So I have those. I just liked the font for this one. It's really cute. This is called the Hand-Lettered Alpha. And then this goes with, where is the stamp set that I have? Okay, I have a stamp set that is missing. I don't know where it is. That goes with this one. don't know where is that. Congratulations, Busy Bees, Honeycuts. Weird. So I have the Busy Bees Honeycuts, but no Busy Bees stamps. I'm going to have to figure that out. I'll have to go look at my order and figure that out. So something else that came that I ordered, I got my free little bee. I got the Silver Celebration sequins, and I got these cute flower sequins, which I thought would be fun and adorable. And I have a couple things, so I'm going to figure that one out. Whatever, I'll figure it out later. A couple other things from my Simon Says. I got this stencil, and then I got this crackle background. And then from, let's see here, from Pretty Pink Posh, I got this one. This was really cheap. It was on clearance, and I'm going to be doing some cards for Lily for her birthday party. She's having a sleepover, and then I finally got my hands on the Magical Unicorn. So I got the Magical Unicorn stamp and die, and I'm so excited about that. And then Echo Park, on their outlet website, they had things for $1. So I didn't go crazy because I have a lot of stuff. So I did buy the stencils because stencils are pretty expensive. So I got this one for $1 and this one for $1. $1. And then all these enamel dots were $1, which I think is a steal. So that's exciting. And then from Peachy Cheap, I did buy one of their little sets. This one is Saint Tropez, whatever, Saint Tropez or whatever, from Frank Garcia. I think it was $7.99, I want to say, or $11.99. Can't remember. They're usually $7.99 or $11.99, but they're a really good deal. I mean, you get a lot of stuff. I don't buy all the ones that come across, but I had not bought Annie Prima in a while. I really love this paper right here. I love the kind of the travel-y kind of look to it. It's really pretty. So it comes with the paper pad, which is 6x6. These like puffy stickers, and they're super cute. I love to use these for the front of like a book or something like that. The cling stamps, which are fun, and then the ephemera, which is really wonderful. So they have the die cuts, and then they also have these acetates, which I really like. So I did pick that up, excited about that. And then I finally got the rest of my order from Craft Direct. Took forever. So I finally got the little punch board. This is the tag punch board. I have so many different ways to make tags. I really need to make tags. I really do. So I did get that. And then, because these were such a good deal, I got them. They're so humongous, though. I actually, I have a Cuttlebug. That's what I use. But I don't like to use my Cuttlebug for, like, these types of dies because I just think they're just too hard on my Cuttlebug. So I do have a Big Shot. I just had to drag it down from the top of my closet. So I have a Big Shot I got for Christmas for years ago. So I'm going to give this one a go. This is the scoreboard, extra large, these little file folder things. I don't know how big it is or how small it is, but that's cute. And then I also got this, and both of these I had seen on Bona Rivatran. I think she's Live, Love, Laugh, Live, Love, Scrap on YouTube. And she's Bona Rivertran on Instagram. So she made some projects, and they're super cute. So I got this one, and so I'm going to have to play around with this and see how this works. But these are really big. So I had spent, I think, $100 because you got free shipping, and I got like 4 of these giant dies plus the tag thing and then some other things. So it was a really good deal. Even though I don't like to buy a lot of these really big ones anymore. I prefer to cut them with my Cricut if I can, but the Cricut doesn't make anything like this, so this is kind of fun. So anyway, that is my haul for now. It's a giant pile, I can't even tell you, next to me of things that I need to clean up, and then I actually need to start crafting stuff. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.